also analysis. We're gonna do it weekly. So we're gonna start from all the way from 1 week. I need to change the language, by the way, on my trading view. Everything is in Spanish right now, but that's good. You guys learn Spanish with me too. So right now, what we're gonna be like architectural. You know what I mean? Like we're gonna use support and resistance weekly, daily, 4 hour, 4 hour, and 1 hour. We're gonna do the songs in 15 minutes and 5 minutes looking for the trade. That's exactly what we're gonna do. So today, starting today, we're gonna do weekly review when weekly analysis, and then that way we're gonna see what happened last week. If the week it was bullish, like this one, last week it was bullish. Previous weeks from last week it was bearish. See right here, but we want to know why this thing happened. You know what I mean? So we're gonna put major support and resistance. We're gonna do it when a weekly pattern, when a candlestick pattern. How? What does that mean? Well, right here we have an engulfing bearish candles right here. That's engulfing bearish candle. Also here, you see engulfing bearish candle. This engulf this blue candle, this bullish candle. Right here, you got engulfing bearish candle. You see the bearish candle engulfing the bullish candle right here. See, so we're gonna place uh horizon ray right here specifically. We're gonna use the magnet to the body, not to the weak, to the body, and we're gonna put a color to that. And we're gonna put right here. We're gonna type in the middle to be in the middle, all the way to the right, and we're gonna put weak, only W. Okay, we're gonna put it 10. Okay, and then that way we're gonna know when we're in the low time frames. We're gonna know, oh, that's a strong support or resistance from weekly. You got it? So we're gonna put it right there. Also, we're gonna save it. Okay, let me see if I save it. I think I save it here. Let me see. Yeah, I save it. The only thing, this one is 12. So we need 10. I don't want the thing so big because when we have all of them, it's going to be crazy. So we're going to save it again. We're going to put W. Also, we're gonna edit all those things is there. Let me edit right now. I don't want all those type of things. That's 1 hour. Okay, I already have it here. Let me put that longer high. Take it away. I don't need that for this particular thing. Low Asia, I don't need it. Now, I don't need it now. Low London, I don't need it now. I don't need all this. I don't need it. I just want to be clear. Even my chart, you see my chart, I put it completely white. Because I don't need all this. I want everything clear, like pure price action. You know what I mean? So I want everything clear. I want to have access to everything I do right now, not even buy side liquidity, nothing like that. So I'm just gonna put it. I'm gonna delete the whole thing. Got it? So I will. You know what? After that, after I finish the video, then I'm gonna delete this. I don't want to keep you here to watch me. Give me a second. So right here, we already had that one. So let's do the other one. So let me explain to you. Let me do this. Hold on. Let's put it right here. Everything will be one color. That way I know. That way I know. Oh, that's a weekly resistance. This is weekly support. Look at how beautiful it is. Right here, the market was coming up. It did bearish engulfing. The market shoot down. It got break. You see that resistance because from there the market shoot down for 1, 2, 3 weeks from that right there. In future, you got contract, but I'm for sure the previous contract around this area right here, probably it was a potential like a strong resistance. That's why the market also dropped it from there. But let's talk about this contract right now, which is the September. We almost by the end of September we're gonna change to December. So right here, for the people know about future, they know what I'm talking about. You know what I mean? So right here, you see it was resistant. Market came break down, made it as a support. You see, and then from there went one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, and 6 week going up after hit that one. Then from there they did engulfing candles, bearish, then came down, boom, 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 and stop here again. You see, I can say this complete zone is support and shoot back up again, and then try to come here again, and then stop right there. You know what I mean? So that's like what we're seeing right here. So even here probably can be, but that one is not a bullish, very engulfing candle. So that's why I didn't put that one there. So that is 1 week. So we keep it there in 1 week. Let's go to daily. In daily, you see, I'm not seeing my weekly thing. I need to see it my weekly. And the low time frames, I need to see all of them. Probably you're gonna see my chart like a mess, but trust me, it will not. It will not be a mess. There you go. So let me do it again. Save it again. The week. There you go. There you go. So now I'm going to daily. You're gonna see it right there. See, I got it right there. It don't matter if you don't see the Golfy candle a lot. It don't matter. Okay, just leave it like that. Okay, just leave it like that. Don't try to fix it to put it right here at the top. Just leave it. Okay. So now that one gonna help you to get the daily. You see the Engulfing daily right here. So we're gonna put it right there. So the daily engulfing, we're gonna put this color right here, which is gonna be gold. Mm, yes, we're gonna put gold. Okay, and then we're gonna secure that everything is right. Yes. Yeah, I only use 1 hour to 4 hours. I don't use nothing else. The test, we're gonna use the color right here. This job you only do it one time, okay? You're gonna put the D. This job you only do it one time. You don't have to do it again. You know what I mean? Only one time. Then you save it as a daily. See D. You hit it. Boom. That's it. So you already know that resistance right there is daily. Okay. So when the market low time frame go to there, you realize, oh, okay, hold on. I don't need this in weekly, by the way. I don't need to be weekly. You know, we gotta want to mass the most high time frame, the low support resistance. I don't need it in the high time frame. You know what I mean? So that means I don't need the daily and the weekly when I'm doing weekly, like when I analyze them weekly. So that's that way I know. So we're gonna save it again. We're gonna put D. Okay. So then we're gonna find another section right here. Something right here. If you go back here, we see that's engulfing. No, this is a bearish engulfing right here. So if right now you don't understand, but we're gonna check the weekly review, and then you're gonna realize, oh, okay, man, that thing is so cool. So we're gonna put it right here. Okay, that is engulfing. No, it's not engulfing candles. Let's see where we find another one. Right here, we got another one right here. That is engulfing. It's kind of, but I love the support right there. Let's see right there. There you go. You're gonna see how everything makes sense when we go to like low time. For example, look. Give me a second. So, let me see why this color is different. Why this color is different? Lady, I don't get it why this color is different. Let's see this one. Yeah, they're the same color. Why they change color right here? I don't get it. Let's see. Let's put it back here. Put a D. You see right here, the color is different than this one, and it's the same color. My goodness. See? It's the same color. So let's talk about it. You know what? I don't want those colors. Let me change the color for all of them. So let's change the color for. We're gonna put let's put this color in the daily. You know, now we hanging out. So the color will be this one. That's the daily right there. So the daily, we're gonna save it. We'll save it here. Hang in the video. Hang in the video. You're gonna see the difference. Okay, so we're gonna do the daily right here. You're gonna see the thing making sense when we get closer to the low time frame when we will do the previous week review. So that's a daily. You see, green, then it'll come in a green like that. So look right here. This was the support, sorry, resistance. Then here turned it to be a support. Then here turned to be a support again. Right here, the market they just shoot down and shoot up, never stop. Nobody was taking care right there. So they came here, boom, and then shoot back again. So also I see another one right here. I took the magnet off because I want to do it from here. You know, specific this. Now let's put it right here. You see? We can for sure around here, from that way here, we got something. Let's put it right here. Okay? That way we know all the support thing. So right here, I'm for sure this week, if the market tended to come to this place right here, we're going to see some reaction potential. You know what I mean? So that way you want to see, okay, wow. So let's see what else we have. We only have how 1 week? What you mean? No. Why this it doesn't show? Hold on. Okay, I know what we're gonna do right here. Weekly. That's why it doesn't show. There you go. Now, yeah, see it right there. See weekly, daily. So cool. So I see right here. So we're gonna continue find it. Another potential reversal from the weekly, from the daily. And look right here. This is a night engulfing right here. Bullish engulfing right here. You see? Bullish engulfing right here. Right there. There you go. Bullish engulfing. So you see right here how the market came boom, and stripped down. Probably here came, tried to touch it and went back up. Let's see what else. What else? What else? You know, I don't want to do so many lines in between, and it's kind of crazy. Something right here, this it is a nice support daily. You know, I don't want to like do a lot, all those crazy lines and all that. So I think that that's what I see right now. Also, I see right here, this baby right here. Then you're gonna see how everything gonna make sense when we go into low time frames. Trust me. Simple. Look at this. You see? You see right here? You see right here? You see right here? See right here? See everything. That's 1 day. So from 1 day, you're looking for those trades, and then they're gonna make it. They make it pretty good sense when you are in the low time frames. Okay. Now we're gonna go 4 hour. Oh, I don't have 1 hour. It's a favorite. Put 1 hour too. 4 hour. So also I need to. I need my chart clean. I don't want in this particular season. I don't want my chart to be um, crazy. There you go. Like that's better. No, take all this down. So now we're gonna find between the daily. We're gonna find 4 hours. Okay, like I say, probably gonna be a crazy mess, but trust me, it will be good. So we're gonna you go backward a little bit to see this specific, and then we're gonna find support and resistance there. Major support resistance. So right here. Let's see. Right here. Look at this. Right here, you see one. Now, so in 4 hour, we're gonna change to let's choose a color for hour. Probably gonna choose we can choose this color, the last one right here. Yeah, let's choose this color and also in the test. So right here we take a daily off. We're gonna leave 1 hour. So is this color right here. Okay. So we're gonna put 4 hour. 4 hour. Do it like this. You save. You save the 4 hour, and that's gonna help you to find it and copy all of them. Okay, so we got one there. Let's find another one. Another one. Oh, we have to find a lot. And so right here, right here, we got a nice one. We got a nice one. So right here, you see how everything combined right here. See, when you see 4 hours and daily being the same position, it's gonna be amazing. Hold on, I'm thinking I'm doing it. Oh wow, so cute. I'm thinking I'm doing S&P 500. Literally, I don't want S&P 500. I want Nasdaq. But let me finish. I'm gonna do S&P 500 and all that. So I want Nasdaq, but it's okay. We're gonna do it quickly in Nasdaq. So there you go. I have that. Yeah, 4 hour. There you go. Find another one here. You see how everything gonna make it same right now? I don't know why the color changed yet. So see, right here it was kind of red, and here it changed to this color. Literally, I want this color. Why change? See? Why the thing change? That's one thing that I don't want it. Because it made me confuse all those colors right here. Anyway, probably the low time frame going good. Okay, so we're gonna continue to find it. A pretty nice engulfing. So right here we see engulfing right here. Bullish engulfing. 1 hour, 4 hour. Let's look for another one. So but right here, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. You see? We have to find this support right here. How, why, how this thing went from right here. Look at this. Right here. That was one. You're gonna see how I'm gonna make it sense. Okay, we're gonna go. Let's go to this right here, because if we go for right there in the back, it'll be crazy. So look for engulfing right here. We got this one right here. There you go. There you go. So right here, you see this one right here. It came here as a support, resisting the pullback, resisting, and that's it. Okay, so let's see if we can find more. This is a nice one right here. Let's put it this one. put it this one right there. Which one else? All this you're gonna see the difference. Like when I'm going down to low time frames, you're gonna see, wow, okay, I understand now. I understand now. So right here we got one. We got one here. Let's see. Let's put this one right here. Yeah. Okay. So I think we're gonna leave it there. Now we're gonna go 1 hour. You see the color change, all of them almost equal. Only this one look like a little crazy, literally. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. Okay. So you see how everything making sense right here. Look at this. Boom, boom. You see? You see how everything look beautiful? Look right here how it came. You see, overpassed the daily and then came here, retest. Now you're gonna see, oh, why did I stop there? Because it's a potential strong support. You know what I mean? So let's look in 1 hour. We're gonna look for this session right here, right here. Yeah, let's look at one this session right here in 1 hour. So let's see what we have. Let's see what we have right here. So 1 hour, I decided to put a black, and that's it. Because normally in 15 minutes, I'm gonna use the support, the songs. So 1 hour. Also, we had to put this one, so 1 hour. Okay, so we save it. We're gonna save this as a 1H. Okay, right there, see, 1H. So we're gonna go continue looking for engulfing right here. Let's put this all the way here. And we do 1H. Okay, 1H. Right here, you got engulfing. Let's put it from here. Oh, hold on, let me delete this one. Let me delete this one because probably here we're gonna have engulfing around here. There you go. I knew I had one. Is this one? You see? Right there. Let's see. I think we're done with that. We're done. We got here. There you go. Let's put it right here. So you see how everything making sense almost. This was not engulfing. No engulfing, no engulfing, no engulfing. So I think that's it. I think we're cool right there. So we're gonna go 15 minutes, check the different round. You see how everything? Everything almost getting there. Now you're gonna see it why everything how everything making sense right now. They're not even like that in 15 minutes. In 5 minutes, the one making sense a lot. For example, right here, example right here, look at how the market. Remember this support resistance for 4 hours. I didn't put it there. It was already there. Like literally. Let's say you come. This day is Wednesday. You come to the session Wednesday. Okay, you're looking for your trade. Okay, you're looking for your trade Wednesday. Let's go to Monday. Monday. Let's go to Monday. We're gonna do the review right here. So we are Monday here, 7. Okay, and we see right here. Remember, our entry is a break for the trend line, retesting the support to buy. Break the up trend line down, back up to the resistance, sell. You know what I mean? So we're gonna do it right here. We're gonna do it right here. Let's say where was the trade? Let's find out. Hold on. Let's find out where was the trade. So right here, the market coming. Evaluate London. How London coming? Boom, 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 boom. Right here, the market coming. See, so if you trade, so you want to get in pre market, you do this. That is a pre market, but that's a little trade right there. You can do pre market. What is pre market? Well, before 9:30. Pre market is before 8:30. You know what I mean? Pre market is before 8:30. So right here, no, before 9:30. So right here, if you want to get in pre-market, you choose from that top right here, or from this top. You choose for the trend line right there. Okay, that is a bullish trend line. So when you see the market, then you start doing like let's say like this. Okay, the market came here, touching this resistance, went up. Dun, 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 dun. Then you see here, okay, right here you see. Now we use the magnet thing. Right here you see the support. Also, we're gonna change this to be gray. To be gray like that. That thing gonna help them because I got. So we're gonna do 5 minutes on this color gray. Okay, so right there you see the market coming to this zone right here because that's exactly what you have to do when you in session. When you in session, this thing you have to delete it all the time, every single day, because you don't want to keep a mess in your chart. So you do this. That's resistance right there. You put it right here. All right. You put this as a support, which you later on turn it to be resistant right here. See, right here. All this is right there. So the market do this. Okay, he's there. See how you touching? From there, you see, oh my God, what I have for you. I got what? The market break my trend line. You see from where? From the support. It's on top of the 4 hour support right now because it's turning to be a support. So right there, you got two options: even getting into the market right there, or you wait for more confirmation. You got it? You wait for more confirmation. Even you can go to 1 minute to see what's going on. Okay, 1 minute gonna help you to be clear, more clear in your trend. So look at this: the market was coming, boom, 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 and from here, the market decided to go like this. By the way, let me put the support to be in 1 minute also because 1 minute I'm not gonna do zone in 1 minute, only 5 minutes. There you go. So in 1 minute you're gonna see the difference. You see right there, but this is the low. This is the low high, so it's not break the low yet. So you hit it again. See he hanging there. Boom. You got ready break right there. So we're gonna look for 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. We're gonna look for entry. So right here, from here to here, we can see it break the what? You see? It break the support right there, right here. Okay? You don't got the EMA yet with you. So then you put it like, I remember I was watching one of my mentors, he put a 3 minute too. You have to find a way how you can get to that entry. How literally you can get to that entry. Okay? Right there, I don't have a lot of confirmation. I prefer 5 minute literally. I prefer 5 minute. Let's see the next one. Okay. You see, I'm seeing the price hanging there, hanging there. Also hanging right here. Retest. There you go. That is my confirmation. Now I want to see at least an engulfing candle in 1 minute. There you go. You see what I have here? Engulfing candle. So let's say you're going to take a trade right here on this candle. You put the stop loss right here below to the to the support, and you're going to target potential resistance, potential resistance, potential zones. Let's say you want to target this zone right here. That is 2.27. You can say, you know what? Let me target 1 hour. So let's say like this. Let's put a TP. You got TP1, TP1, TP2. If we continue, TP3 right here. That's a TP3 right there. Okay, so TP1, TP2, and TP3. You see how everything making sense right now? So let's say we're gonna risk right there. That is five tick. So we're gonna put risking like $100. $100 10 because this is five. If I put it only five, that's gonna be only $50. So we're gonna buy here. Stolos right here. TP all the way there. Let's put it like that. Okay. See the market move? Boom. Boom. You see how I'm reacting right there in the zones? See? Now use the EMA. It used to be a support. Now break and retest as uh, resistant. Again resistant. You see? Again resistant, and then shoot up. TP1 got hit almost. There you go. Got hit right there. Now resistance. You see how respect the zone right here. Came back again. Right there, you have to find out why he turned back from here. Why? Probably this here. Okay, like this. Shoot up again. Shoot up again. You see, right there, you can, example myself, I'm already done right there because right here is 4. Literally, for me, I'm right there. Or at least I secure profit right here. I'm right there, securing profit right here. You see? From there, let's see. Boom. TP hit. You see how everything making sense right now with all that, and probably the market went to this support right there. Sorry, resistance for 1 hour. Probably not. Probably yes. But you see how everything making sense after you do the analysis weekly, and everything when you have that, it's gonna be amazing. So every day you delete those songs. Every day you delete it. Then when you come back to the market, like 6:30. I told you I'm coming to the market like 6:30, and if you're gonna find it for trade before the pre-market before 9:30, the open bell. Then you look for you analyze the market, and then you look for the trade. If you want to wait, myself, I recommend you if you got like strong news at 8:30 most of the time. In New York session, you got the strong news at 8:30 most of the time, like NFP, like PPI, like CPI, like what else? You got so many, like the FOMC sometimes and there too. They change a lot. But like I say, that's the way you're gonna find a good setups and all that kind of thing. You know what I mean? So from here we're gonna go to, let's say we're gonna go to Tuesday to next day. Okay. You see how the market went up to this resistance right here, which is 1 hour, and from there the market shoot down to where? To the 4 hour support. You see? Let's see from there what the market do. You see? Retest the day that's a daily. You see how I know from the color, from the top of my head, I know from the color what resistance is this one. Then the market shoot up, break the hourly, and then shoot up to the hour again, to the hourly. And look, why the market, you see how in this song the market stopped right here. You see how beautiful it is, how you realize that, oh my god, this is so beautiful. Then we're gonna go. This one, this was Friday for sure. I think that was Friday. Here, that's, let's see, March, September 10. Oh, September 10 right here. So there you go. Okay, right here. Let's go to 6 o'clock. Two, three, four, five, and six. You see everything I'm doing right now. You see me like I'm doing it S&P 500. It's okay. This is the same. I'm gonna do it NASDAQ, but I'm not gonna. I don't want to keep you the video for a long time. You know what I mean? And I don't want to keep you from the video for a long time. So I'm gonna do this. I do the weekly review when. Matter of fact, you know what I mean? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go straight to NASDAQ. I'm gonna have everything set up, and then I'm coming back. Body, peace. I'm coming back right away. You're gonna see me like. So there you go. I got everything set up in NASDAQ already. So we're gonna come back right away. So okay. So we're gonna go to Monday. Monday. Let's go to Monday. 15 minutes. Monday. Monday. Let's go to Monday. Monday. Okay. Friday. Monday. See ya. See Monday right here. So we're gonna go test right here to 7. Then we're gonna review the whole week, how everything went, and all that. Where we fail and all that kind of thing. See, we got the song right here. We're gonna change those songs. We're gonna delete those songs. Okay, every single song we're gonna delete that. Okay. So we didn't have news this Monday. So let's see what we had. So right here we're gonna put the songs. This is so what? The resistant. Let's put this. Support. Okay, that's what we have for now. Yeah, that's what we have. There you go. Okay. Pay attention to this right here. Remember, at the 7 is the one we're going to find out where exactly what the market do. Okay, what the market specific do. There you go. Cool. Okay, we got some here. Let's see. Touching right there. It break the trend line, but it didn't break that what? It used to be support. Support. No, sorry. Yeah, support. Resistant, and now it's in the resistant again. Let's see. No, it didn't break it. It's still there. Still there. Hold on. Why this? I look at this stuff. Why this stuff still there? Oh, I got it. Now I get it. I remember. I remember that day. So right here, what I see, look at what I see right here. The market's doing there, boom, 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 boom. So we chain. Remember, you have to go in the market. Oh, he needs support. No, chain this. You see? You see how everything changed? Or even you can say, hold on, why the market? You have to see why the market, like, why he hanging out there? You see? Why he hanging out there? Why? You have to go back a little bit. Say, oh, I got it. We have to chain. Chain with the market. Don't think, remember, this market, he move you. You don't move him. You know what I mean? So I see right there, I say, okay, now I get it. The resistance was right there. Oh, so the trend line is this one. See this right there, the market was shooting. Break it, boom, boom, boom. Break it again. So right there, that is what engulfing candle. You see, that's engulfing candle right there. So I can say, you know what, let's take this trade. Why not? Let's engulf a candle. Okay, hold on. Put a stop loss. It can be right here. Stop loss can be right here. 29 pips. The pips don't tick. TP1, 1 to 4. Or I can go to the resistance right there, which is 4 to 1. Let's see who wins. Okay. Why I put it over there? Well, they're hanging out in this support right here. Got it? They're hanging out in this support right here. So how much winner risk? 29. I think it's 3 contract. We okay with that? Stop loss right here. You see, less than $200. TP can be right here, 700. But remember here, when break right here, you secure the trade. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what I'm doing here. Boom. See, market shoot back up again. Boom. So right there, I secure the trade right here. Why I secure the trade right there? Well, I'm on top of that. What? I'm on top of the 4-hour support right here. You see everything, how everything making sense right there. See how the market like doing stuff there. Remember, myself, I'm going only two to one. Most of the time, I'm going 2 to 1. Let me see. Hold on. And I'm going to. That's why I'm going 2. And right there, I already have it. You see, I already got my 2 right there. Yeah, 2, 4. So there you go. That's me. I'm always looking for 2. You know, it no matter if the market shoot more and more and more and more. You see, it went almost close to there. But I'm always looking for 2. So that was the trade for Monday. So we're gonna see the trade. You see how it came back here? That's why normally I don't go, you know what, let me go for 2. That's it. And also you got respect right here at TP1. You almost hit TP2 right there at the top. Okay, so now we're gonna go next day. We're doing weekly review here. We're gonna go next day. What the market did that day. See, he ended the day and the TP2. The only thing, he take you out first and then he shoot back up. Let's see 1 hour. Let me see right here. Why? Do we got a support here? There you go. Yes, we got one here. You see how you find stuff quickly? Let's see this way. We got something. We go, why the market? Why he retracement from there? Why? I'm looking, why? Why? Hold on. I'm looking why. That's my thing. Looking for why. Remember, you do analyze the market, specifically 1 hour, you have to look for the points. Between here and here, we're looking for the engulfing. Why the market retracement from there? Okay, we got engulfing right here. This is engulfing. This is engulfing 1 hour. And this is engulfing 1 hour. This is engulfing right here too. Right there. So let's go to 5 minute. You want to see how everything making sense right now. You see? The market shoot to here. From there, the market went up. Okay, so let's go to the next day. Five, 6. 5 minute. So we're gonna analyze the market right there. The market, where's the market? The market is right from here to here. So we can say use the magnet. Okay, you see that? You see how the previous zones working with you too, right here. I leave it like that. Let's see what we can do here. Okay. What I see right here is a trend line. This is support. Sorry, resistance. So I got this trend line here. Put this right here. This is a bearish trend line. Okay, so you're breaking here. We're gonna see. Market shoot up, shoot up, shoot up, shoot up, up, up. Okay, market's going up. See, market is going up. This was a nice trade right there. If you want to take a trade before the 8:30, look at this trade. It was pretty cool. So TP1 here, TP2 here. Let's see. Let's see what we can do here. Now it's a market there. Okay. See where he went? Any retracement from there? Okay, so I see the market retracing from there. So what we're gonna do some here, right here. Okay, so he pull back from here. So you trap the price right there. Let's see what we're gonna do. Okay, okay. Now this is the news right there. You see, that's the news. You got deed, daily and weekly resistance, by the way. There you go. So right here you got a choice right there. You got a choice. You can sell here. Let's see the risk. You're getting there. That is what? 90 pips. 90 tips. So you go to 3 minutes. Let's see what we can have. Still nothing. Let's see 1 minute. Oh, okay. We got something here. So we need the retest here. Let's see. We're gonna have it. There you go. Okay. So now we need engulfing. Something engulfing. Oh, it didn't engulf. You see? You need the engulfing right there. You need the engulfing. No? There you go. Yeah, that was engulfing right there. So you get in like this. It's beautiful to do it now, but to do it, so we got TP1 here, TP2 here, TP3 here. You got it? I'm gonna put it for the daily rate, for the hourly. How many? One contract only. You see, it's one contract, but it's still loaded for $200. Let's see. See how we do it. We in profit already. Pay attention to this to this support right here. See how the market pulled back? Came back. Okay, we came back to the zone. Okay. Pay attention to this right here. This zone. So we're gonna update this zone. I'm gonna update this song right here. I'll put like this. Okay. So right here with this song, we update. Boom. We in profit. See, that for me it cuts my attention. Literally, that cuts my that gonna. So this is gonna get my attention. Why the market would don't want to pass there? Right here. See why he would want to pass there. That's my thing. So isn't it don't just put the trade because you want to put the trade. You have to know what's going on right now. See, the market is there. Go for candle. Came back again. See? Why you don't want to pass there? That thing gonna get you there. See? 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 You're a profit again. Let's see for now he break it. Boom. He break that. So then it's already what? It's already normally I get off at 12 for trading. I don't spend the whole day in trading. So I think I'm closing there. Let's see. Okay, I got TP. Let me see. Yeah, TP1. That's a TP1. Oh, this is TP1. Yeah, TP1. This one. The HA. So right here, I put my money here. Securing. Okay. I'm already securing the trade right there. I'm gonna put it right here. I think a day I'm off the market because I'm already off. That says 12. I'm off. I collect that money and that's it. Let's see how the market ends. You see? Yeah. The market from the 4 hour support, the market decided to what? Do engulfing candle here, and that's it. You see? Engulfing candle here. Boom, and that's it. He shoot down. You see? And look, I'm not even updating my trend line. I keep it. I keep my trend line normally because I'm already in the trade. I don't have to update my trend line. I keep it there. So I'm gonna do quickly because I don't want to like take a lot of time from you. So I'm just gonna take away the rewind, the reproduction tools, and we're gonna go to Wednesday, Tuesdays, and all that. Okay. Well, I got so many stuff here. Hold on. That's one trade. That's Friday. Hold on. Let me delete this. Give me a second. So let's go. Like I told you, I'm not gonna do it the whole thing in Wednesday. So Wednesday was CPI. So CPI normally we left the CPI to do what they normally do. So then we got here CPI. This is the 930 right here. So when I saw 930 breaking what? 930 break what? The bear. Hold on. 930 broke the bearish trend line, the bullish trend line. You see, and then right here I got a support. Remember, all this zone is from the last time, so you have to delete all of them. So right here you put that. You see how it break, boom, retest. That used to be a what? Resistant, break, came back, it's resistant again, shoot down from there. Then when I saw the market break right here, came here, retest, where's engulfing? Right here. You see the engulfing? You see the engulfing? Is below also from the EMA, the engulfing right there. So you put your trade right here. Stop loss can be right here if you want, 70 pips, or it can be there at the top, 120. But I can say let's leave it right here, 2 to 1, right there. You see? Oh, you can go to. That's why you can use the what? the support and resistance for 1 hour. See? So we talk about what? TP1 and TP2 and potential TP3. You see? You just looking for the patterns, the bullish engulfing candles patterns. That's exactly what my kids, my entries like that. Don't get in because it's like that. No, looking for the engulfings, for chart films, for the doji, those things. But look at right there. That's what the trade for Wednesday. Everything I'm being learning, family. If you look at my Wednesday video, what I think it was lost. So let's go to next day, Thursday, when the PPI. That day was CPI, Thursday with PPI. So we wait for the PPI, which is right here, 8:30. You wait for what? You wait for the you wait for the you can join when the PPI here after three candle afternoon, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Right here you can start looking for trade. So if we're looking for trade here, look at this. If you look at trade here, where's engulfing? Where's engulfing? It's right here. You see engulfing right here? So you know you got this as a TP, this line right here. So we're gonna look, the engulfing is here. Stolos on top of this, right here. And then you go for what? TP right here. This line. You see how everything making sense right now? Right there. That was a trade. How everything making sense when lines. So that's support from the daily. 2 to 1. 2.17, you risk 32 tips, and you win 70.50. That was a trade for the day. The one 930, the 930 is the one helping. But remember, you already got the CPI. That was the news. All this is gonna be open range after that. That was entry for pre-market entry. So now let's go. You see how everything making sense after you do everything? This. So now we're gonna go to next day, which was Friday. Friday was nothing. It was just like we don't have news. I think it was a bank news only. So Friday, we see here what we see on Friday. That's why I don't like to use indicator. Indicator, one of those candles was indicate you. Like you getting, I think it was, let's put it right here. You're gonna see it. Let me see which one was. This one. You see right here, that one say buy. It's green, say break. The trend line got break. But that's not the right trend line. You see? The indicator is doing wrong right there. It's lagging. That's why I don't like indicator. Literally, I don't like indicator anymore. This EMA I use it there, but I'm not even paying attention to that. I like to do my thing now. Literally. So I'm gonna do this. Boom. EMA also 35. Get off. I don't need it. Look how clean it is. So right there, you see that everything's structured. But right there, you say, you know what? I want to join. I'm reviewing myself, stuff that I have to do. I'm being passing the whole weekend learning this stuff that I'm explaining to you right now. I went back to the basics. I don't SMC, ICT, all those things. It's okay. You make money with that. But myself, everybody has their own trading way to do it. So right here, Friday, let's look for the entry. See, I'm looking for every single entries. And I say, I mean, this thing makes sense now. So let's put it like that. Right here, I put the real trend line for bullish right here. And I put this one as a what? Bearish trend line. So I got right there. So the market opened right here. Looks at 8:30, 8:30, 8:30, 8:30, 8:30, 8:30 right here. So look, the market is doing this, boom, boom, boom. So this is what let's put it like that. Market is doing this, boom, 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 boom. So he going down, boom, 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 boom. Well, so here he break here. He didn't break the low, no. What about here? You see that strong candle right there? After 8:30, boom, down. Market came here again. He what? That was a resistance. Yeah, and this time it was a resistance for 1 hour. You see how everything making sense right now? But let's see, let's see our entry. Where exactly we can find entries? Remember, it can be engulfing candles. So you got one engulfing candle. Yeah, you got one engulfing candle right here. That was 805. After break the trend line, you got engulfing candle. So you see the candle do over here. Boom. See, came here. Boom, boom, boom. From there, you say, you know what? I got something here. This right here. You see? Boom, 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 boom. You're hitting twice. A lot. You see, it used to be a rejection, 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 rejection. Boom, break. Look at where's this strong candle right here. This strong candle, this one. Bang! When the session opened, like 7. Boom. Twice. Doom, doom. Break what? The resistance. The market was coming up. Also here, if we talk about structure, this is a high, high. This is a low, low. This is what? This is high, low. This is what? Chain to what? Low, high. Because it's not higher than this one. Then here was about low, low. Then the market came here again. See? Again here, it didn't break the high. It's only fake out. That's the liquidity rate they take. You see? Liquidity take. We talk about liquidity right there. SMT, ICT. Liquidity take right here. See? Market shoot down, shoot down, shoot down, shoot down here. You see? That's why you have to check every single candle. Every single candle. Then you got the trend line, break, boom, boom. Then you got the retest. Do you got engulfing here? No, I don't have it. Boom, came back again. Oh my God, I lost my trade. No, wait for the retest. Boom. Do you got engulfing? Yes, right here. This is engulfing. The candle for 805. That's engulfing right here. So you put the trade right here. You say, oh, PJ, but you got the trend line, the support right there. Yeah, you're right. You got it there. Hold on. Put the stop loss right there. 14, take. That was 2.6. But you're going to say, you know what, let me do it right there. In case the market shoot there. 398. But then you lost. That's why I love to keep 2. 265, 268. Even you can use the structure. You see that structure right there? This. You can keep the structure for your TP too. You can do the structure too. Let's see how much was the structure in a second. Structure right there. 168. Market shoot down. Okay. Poop. 2. Keep it 2. Right there. You see? That was a trade right there. But for that, you need to be so focused to find because so many noise, so many stuff. But you focus, you put your thing, okay. Market took liquidity here, okay. Here was a high high, okay. Here was a low high, shoot down, okay. Now we're in downtrend. That's the dollar top right there when the liquidity take, okay. We're going down. Boom, 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 boom. Break the trend line. Here, where's engulfing? Where's engulfing? Oh, okay. It didn't touch right there. Okay. Oh, came back again, rejected, engulfing. There you go. This is my trade. Or if you want to be secure, you wait for those. Okay, you already know I have that. You wait for the candle, the price engulfing this strong candle went back up again. You got 1, 2. You see on top of the body, below to the body, then you get in here. Below to the resistance, to the support. Now it's resistant. If you want to wait for the retest, it came back here. That is what? Morning star or shooting star. Boom. Even here, you can wait. Look at this. You got the 2% right here. You get in here when the Engulfing candle right here. If you want to like more, let me see if the market go. But when this, you have to be so careful. And even like this, you already want the two right here. See the two? 2.13. You see? But you have to be good. That was a trade. Then when the market opened, liquidity open, equity, boom. Market shoot up. Look at what the market did. It shoot up. I remember I got that trade in the video. Shoot up. Oh, you got rejected for that's 4 hour. Resistance went back up. Rejected for 1 hour. Shoop. Break the support. Shoop. Came boom, boom, boom. We're going down. But the trend line helped to go up. And also the resistance hourly went up again. Support. Support went up again. We got the zone here. I don't know where that zone came from. This is zone right there. And see where the market is. And look at where the market is now. You see how you do pure price action, family. Pure price action. So in this, I leave you with that. See you in the next session, which is gonna be Monday in our session. God bless you.